The display of this smartphone is 6.7-inch AMOLED 1 billion color and the refresh rate of the display of this smartphone is 165. The resolution of the display of this smartphone is 1080p into 2448 pixels. The 395 ppi density of this smartphone. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 4nm. The CPU of this smartphone octa-core and the GPU of this smartphone Adreno 730. Card slot is not available of this smartphone, but the internal memory are available of different type of this smartphone. The RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. NTFS support for external storage capacity of this smartphone. The main camera are triple camera of this smartphone. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone LED flash HDR and panorama. And the video of the main camera of this smartphone 8K into 24 fps, 4K into 120 fps, 1080p into 240 fps, and 720 into 480 fps video EIS. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera of this smartphone panorama HDR. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of this smartphone loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker. 2 amplifier is also available after this smartphone, and the 3.5mm jack is also available after this smartphone. The Wi-Fi of this smartphone 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.282dp LE. GPS is available after this smartphone. NFC is also available after this smartphone, but the FM radio is not available. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 3.1. The battery of this smartphone 6000 mAh battery. Fast charging 65W, reverse wireless charging 10W, power delivery 3 and quick charging 5. The 5G technology is also available after this smartphone. The SIM of this smartphone dual SIM, nano SIM or dual standby, IPX4 water resistance, illuminated RGB logo on the back, pressure sensitive zone gaming trigger is also available of this smartphone. The line date was announced of this smartphone 5 July 2022. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, please leave the comment and I will try to reply.